to be the what? Initial velocity. Good job, guys. Good job, gang. Okay, what do we also know? At the highest point of this trajectory, what is the velocity of the rocket? 0 meters per second. Great job. From this question so far, we can't tell what the distance is, can we? So I'm going to leave that part. That's going to be an unknown. Ooh, and we also already know that our acceleration due to gravity is negative 9.8 meters per second squared because we're on the planet Earth. Time is what we are looking for here. How long will it take to reach its highest point? Okay, so which equation should we use for this one? Yes, the one that has the letter T in it. So we're going to use VF equals VI plus GT. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is substitute, because look, right here is your GU for if we do the guess method. This is your GU, this is your equation, and then I'm going to do my solution, and this is going to be my final answer, my last solve solution, something like that. Okay, so my VF, thank you, substitute, then solve, fabulous. So VF equals 0, VI equals 62, and we have plus negative 9.8 times t. Now I simply have to solve for t. So I'm going to do whatever I do to one side, I have to do to another. This is called an inequality, I think. So minus 62 over here, so I'm going to minus 62 over here. That gives me negative 62 equals negative 9.8 times t. Still need t by itself, not done yet, gang. Divided by 9.8, divided by 9.8. So, I need to plug into my calculator. And my t, there we go, is that better? Okay. My t equals 6.33 seconds. So over here, I'm going to say 6.33 seconds. Okay. Y'all good at that? Okay, so now let's see, how far will it go before it begins to fall back down? Clear indication that it's only asking me the distance to the top of the trajectory thing. So my new info is I need to now actually get my dy. Okay, so my equation, what equation will I use? That's not a lot of space for that, is it? Okay, so let's show the work. Again, this is 0. Vi squared, 60. 2GD, so 2 times negative 9.8 times distance. And you'll learn pretty quickly that this is also, you might even memorize this equation as equals Vi squared minus 19.6D. Okay, because when you come down here, now you're going to have, what's 62 squared, gang? Okay, minus 19.6D. So now again, I'm just solving for D, which is my unknown. So whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Minus 3844. So now I get negative 3844 equals negative 19.6D. Divide that by 19.6. Divide that by 19.6. What do we get? Good job, that's what I got. 196.1 meters. Okay, so for number 3, a child threw a ball straight into the air with an initial velocity of 43.4 meters per second. So I know my initial velocity is 43.4 meters per second. My final velocity, since it's an up-down projectile, is going to be 0. I don't know how high it went, because that's the question it's asking me. How high did it go? Then we know our g is negative 9.8. My equation for distance is vf squared equals v squared plus